Welcome all men, women and children and all the infants and toddlers worldwide who shall inherit their lands and become living trusts. So as you're aware, I'm preparing the affidavit statement of truth to send it to the trustee there at the courts regarding this INDECENT policeman, the trustee, the public trustee policeman who's caught with the indecent images. So I have another case filed basically where they will fail to reply and they'll be protecting paedophilia and stopping the damages from being paid. So be aware of this, all men, women and children and all of the infants worldwide. This is the tyranny on the land being exposed. So as you're aware now, the affidavit is almost ready for the misconduct in public office fraud, violation and breach of Fraud Act 2006, violation and breach of Public Trustee Act 1906, also common law offence and abuse of position of trust, corruption charge for the molesting policeman, ex-policeman, negligence, misrepresentation also, common law offences, is not representing me while he's working for the police force, this molester, this paedophile, indecent, disgusting, despicable character he is, caught with indecent images, over 1,000 indecent images, the dirty molester. And these are being downloaded from the Freemasonic websites, owned and controlled by the Freemasons, with the help of the police. The dirty molesters all collude in it together at the top, at the higher level. So this is how these demonic websites always remain open for these molesters to continue their evil activities against the children, unlawfully and illegally. This is the main reason I've had to open this channel, to discuss these illegal activities and demonic activities perpetrated within the governments and the secret societies and the devil worshippers and the Baphomet lovers, the evil transgressors, tyrants, fraudsters, bullies and thieves and killers of the barter law. So now in this vlog I also want to discuss the trade law, which has been violated, especially when I give all balances in onions and tomatoes using barter law. To advise the molesting trustee sitting up there, the molesting judge with the false wig on his head, working for the wages of sin. Advised him you're also violating trade law, you molester, by not taking the barter law payment. And then he failed to reply, the dirty molester, the paedophile protector, the government molester, the devil worker. So now as you're aware, I'm owed plenty of monies by these molesting thieves, these demonic judges, the demonic IPCCC, the demonic councillors and the demonic councils. Also the demonic crime watch, which is running and had to disband in this demonic crime watch operation on the BBC, which is also part of a paedophile ring after 33 years. Be aware of this. And I had to fully expose it on this channel that crime watch is part of this and also protecting the Freemasons, and fails to establish and announce the Freemasonic link between Jimmy Savile, Lord Janner, Rolf Harris, and the ex-Prime Minister of England, Ted Heath, and also the children's football coach, Barry Bonnell, all belonging to lodges in London, and other lodges, and all connected to each other, the molesters, through Freemasonry and devil rituals. And then this has to get covered up by the judges, especially when I inform them of this in writing, with a signed and sealed affidavit, stamped, signed and sealed affidavit statement of truth, delivered to the courts, delivered to the trustees, they're the molesters, the acting public trustees in public office, the thieves, the paedophile protectors. Still they won't take heed, these dirty molesters, these dirty paedophile protectors. Still won't take heed, even though almost half of England is now almost fully aware of the paedophile protection racket and how these molesters have been operating it for many thousands of years, internally and secretly, and controlling the banks, and controlling your name and your title. Be aware of this. Advise them you have no jurisdiction over my name and my title, you dirty molester, you dirty trustee. I do not trust you. Be aware of this. These are evil tyrants and killers of the barter law and the trade law. Killers of the trust law, contract law, human rights law, administration law, equity law, common law, Holy Bible laws, and the barter law, and the case law, and also trade law. Full rights and full laws. You molesters. In the courts with your wigs on your heads. Full rights and full laws will prevail. It will be the ending of your demonic reign of system of debt and slavery for the banks, which you put in the worldwide slavery of the men, women and children, by claiming ownership of their names and their titles. End of vlog.